Management. Management is all about exercise of harmonizing men, money, machines and methods in order to fulfill the desired objectives. Hello everyone. Today in this video we will be covering the following topics. So let's begin with the definition. Management. Management is a set of activities that is planning and decision making, organizing, leading and controlling, directed at an organization's resources, human, financial, physical and information with the aim of achieving organizational goals in an efficient and effective way. By efficient, it means getting the most output from the least input, and by effective, it means successful in producing a desired or intended result. The term management is also concerned with the creation of favorable environment in an organization. Characteristics of management. Number 1, goal-oriented process. Management always aims at achieving organizational goals. Number 2, pervasive or universal activity. Management is essential for the functioning of all kinds of organizations. Either it is a social organization, economic organization, or a political organization. Number 3, social process. Management always connects several people. It is always concerned with developing relationship among people. Dynamic activity. Management has to adjust itself to the regularly changing environment. Its environment is very dynamic in nature. Management is both science and art. It is science because it has an organized body of content which contains universal truth, and it is also art because it requires certain skills which are personal possessions. And lastly, management is multidisciplinary in nature. It involves knowledge from various disciplines like economics, statistics, math, psychology, sociology, ecology, operations research, history, and many more. Process and functions of management. Regardless to size, nature and type of organization, all the managers have to perform some basic functions. And those basic functions are planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Planning. Planning is the process of thinking before doing any work. It is the process of determining the objectives and selecting the best course of action to achieve the objectives. It is also a mental exercise which requires intelligence, skill, imagination and vision. Planning minimizes future uncertainties and risks, save effort and cost of the organization. Number 2, organizing. Organizing is the process of identification of major activities, grouping them into manageable units, assignment of work to departments and individuals, and delegation of authority. It establishes authority, responsibility, relationship among the organizational members. In the picture given alongside, you can see how organizing gives a perfect framework. Thirdly comes staffing. It is the process of determining required manpower and recruitment, selection and appointment of right person to the right job. That is, right people, right skills and right time. It also gives compensation to employees according to their skill and ability. Now, directing. Supervision, motivation, leadership, communication and coordination comes under directing. Directing is concerned with the instructing, guiding and inspiring subordinates to achieve defined objectives. It is action-oriented, which brings an organization into action. And lastly, controlling. Controlling is the process of comparing actual performance achieved with that of planned performance and taking corrective action for any significant deviation. It is an instrument to bring uniformity in action. Let's get graduated together is signing off. Like the video and do subscribe the channel for more such videos.